What's up everybody and welcome back to AutoZone. Today we are visiting Aston Martin Michiels in Antwerp, Belgium. His beautifully designed dealership is one of the first official Aston Martin dealers on the European continent with over 30 years of expertise and extensive know-how. Today we will be introducing Aston Martin's most ultimate sports GT, the Aston Martin DB11. Not only is the DB11 artfully sculpted, it also has a new form of body language. Fearless, muscular, yet still elegant. Underneath the exquisite clamshell bonnet, there is a brand new beating heart. A mighty AMG-based 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12, outputting 600 brake horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque from 1500 to 5000 RPM. Good for a top speed of 200 miles per hour and an impressive sprint from 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. The inside of the DB11 is highly luxurious and spacious. Superb hand-stitched leather and other exclusive natural materials such as wood and metal make it desirable for long-distance travels. Thanks to AMG's partnership, it also features a new up-to-date infotainment system, which includes a full digital dashboard display. Not only is the design splendid, it's also innovative and functional. Now let's have a few words on the intelligent aerodynamic design of the car. This generates a vortex of air which is conducted through the intakes in the C-pilars and foresight horizontally on the rear deck lid, creating a virtual spoiler, the Aeroblade. The Aston Martin DB11. Intelligent aerodynamic design and effortless power combined with a luxurious experience and an unforgettable presence finished with a thunderous exhaust note. Thanks for watching guys, make sure you comment, like, subscribe and also check out our previous reviews. Stay tuned, see you guys next time, stay in the zone. And of course, special thanks going to Aston Martin Antwerp.